presenting the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include trailering package includes trailer hitch 7-pin and 4-pin connectors, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat and pass-through rear seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.